So this is the car that we are here to pick up. As you saw, trailer guy will come and take it off for us. This is the car I was talking about. It's 2013 Jetta. Busted from the right side. Two doors, they're completely damaged. Worst part is only this door opens. The other door, as you guys see, I was trying to cut down the lock to open it, like open the lock basically, and then open the door, because as you see it doesn't open. Airbags are deployed. Seat airbag is also gone. Quite dirty from inside too. Out of 4, 3 seat belts are also locked. But apart from that, it's a nice car. It's still clean title. As you see, the other side of the car, it's still good. I taped up the window because it cannot go up. Obviously there's something holding it. That's the reason why it's not letting it to go up. But yeah, let's see how far we go. Here we are again. Just to give an update, we opened both the doors. We also opened the airbag. Airbag is also taken off. Took out the seat. These are all the bolts lined up. Seat belts also locked. Didn't look like that much work, but it is a lot of work actually. The rocker is also bent. This is the condition so far. Update on 2013 Jetta. We got the doors. As you see, we got the same color doors for both sides, front and rear. And the gentleman is still working on the quarter panel. This was a little more damaged than the previous video you saw. Still yet to put the roof airbag. I have purchased it. We have put primer to make the metal level.